It just rained really good out here. Gotta take all this water. Not even a lot of water, but at least my plants is getting watered pretty good. In the front and the back. And we the only ones out here. Miss Boogers because she's crying.
Mommy, looks like it's floating right there.
It's barely doing anything.
That's funny. It looks like it's spraying. It looks like it's spraying the whole earth. Wait, no, don't.
No. Why would you even do that? No.
Oh, wash your hands.
Touch the side of the thing right there, the water coming down at.
Oh, where?
Just, yes. I said touch the, do you not know what touch is? You're the only one outside, I think.
Nobody do like this.
Really?
Do like this one. Do it. Got my hands.
Tobias, no. Don't do that. All right, move back. You can go inside and clean your hands off. Tobias, get out that water. Y'all can go inside.
No. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I wouldn't do anything.
Toby.
Just don't away from my plants now.
My limes is growing on my tree, but my lemons ain't growing yet. But I got my limes, my orange, no oranges yet. It's still too early. That's little girl.
You don't realize